What's up everyone, it's Balaji here, and today we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency. Now I know what you're thinking. Crypto requires money, right? Well, yes and no. Making a profit in cryptocurrency without any initial capital is challenging but not impossible. It requires creativity, time, and effort. Here are some practical methods to get started. Ever heard of free money? Well, airdrops are pretty darn close. Imagine getting in on Bitcoin at $1. That's the kind of potential airdrops hold. Basically, new crypto projects give away free tokens to early supporters. Think of it like a marketing strategy. They want to build hype, get people talking, and that's where you come in. Sign up on their websites, follow their social media, maybe do a quick task, and bam, free crypto. Just make sure to do your research, use reputable platforms, and never ever share your private keys. Okay, so maybe you won't get rich quick with faucets, but hey, every Satoshi counts, right? These are websites or apps that reward you with tiny amounts of crypto for completing simple tasks. We're talking CAPTCHAs, watching ads, stuff you're probably doing online anyway. It might seem like peanuts at first, but those peanuts can add up over time. You can use your earnings to experiment with trading, try out different platforms, or just hold on and see what happens. Remember, even Bitcoin started from humble beginnings. Love talking about crypto? Well, now you can get paid for it. Many crypto exchanges and platforms have affiliate programs. You get a unique link, share it with your network, and earn a commission for every person who signs up using your link. No need to spend your own money, just leverage your network, social media, or even start a blog or YouTube channel. The more you share, the more potential earnings you can generate. It's a win-win. Chapter 4. Freelancing for crypto. Get paid in Bitcoin. Are you a writer, graphic designer, coder, or have any other marketable skills? Then the crypto world needs you. There are platforms specifically designed to connect freelancers with crypto projects. Instead of getting paid in dollars, you get paid in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. It's a great way to build your portfolio, gain experience in the crypto space, and earn crypto without spending a dime of your own money. Chapter 5. Learn to earn. Knowledge is power, and crypto. Want to get paid to learn about crypto? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Platforms like Coinbase Earn and CoinMarketCap Earn offer rewards for completing educational courses and quizzes. You learn about different cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and how it all works. And in return, you get free crypto. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into the crypto world, expand your knowledge, and earn some crypto along the way. Chapter 6. Giveaways and contests. Feeling lucky. The crypto community loves a good giveaway. Follow your favorite projects on social media platforms like Twitter or Telegram. They often host contests, quizzes, or simply give away free crypto to their followers. While winning isn't guaranteed, it's a fun and effortless way to potentially score some free crypto. Just remember to be wary of scams and only participate in legitimate giveaways from reputable projects. Chapter 7. Now once you've accumulated some crypto through those other methods, it's time to put those digital assets to work. Staking and lending are great ways to earn passive income on your crypto holdings. Platforms like Kraken allow you to stake your crypto, while decentralized finance or DeFi protocols offer lending opportunities. It's like earning interest on your savings account, but in the world of crypto. Chapter 8. The crypto space, while exciting, can be a breeding ground for scams. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Never share your private keys with anyone, and be wary of promises of guaranteed returns or doubling your crypto. Do your research, stick to reputable platforms, and protect your digital assets like you would your hard-earned cash. Chapter 9. The crypto market is volatile, but with knowledge and patience, you can navigate it successfully. Stay informed about market trends, research promising projects, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are crypto fortunes. Be consistent, stay informed, and who knows, you might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. So there you have it, folks. You don't need a ton of money to get started in the world of cryptocurrency. With no capital, your main investment is time and effort. Once you earn some crypto, you can explore trading or holding for potential gains. What method sounds most appealing to you? Learn more about how to make a profit in crypto without capital on this YouTube channel. Kindly like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.